Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by putting your code where the page can run it. In other words, inside a script tag or in the developer console. Then call alert your message here. That single line creates a modal dialog that halts interaction until dismissed. Use a clear string because alert only shows text. Once done, make sure to test in the browser tab you expect. Different engines will display slightly different styling, but the function behavior is consistent. Next, decide when the alert should appear. You can attach alert inside an event listener, like Element. Add event listener click. Equals alert hi, or schedule it with set timeout. Equals alert waited 1000. If you call alert from inside a function, make sure variables are in scope so you build the message correctly. Also, keep messages short. Long alerts frustrate users. Make sure you remove or gate alerts for production to avoid. Finally, finish by confirming the alert behavior and considering alternatives. Console. Log or a custom modal often gives better user experience, but alert is the simplest undeniable way to show text. If your alert does not appear, inspect the console for syntax errors. One error stops subsequent scripts, and check that no browser extension blocks dialogues. Once fixed, test across browsers and different tabs. A final tip: remove unnecessary alerts from production to prevent user frustration and blocked workflows.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.